Grading submitted assignments. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Make sure the class you want to do grading in is the active class. If the desired class is not the active class, select the class from the Classes list. Choose the Assignment tab from the left menu. Select the title of the assignment you want to grade. Please note, assessments are auto-scored for the lessons and their results appear on this page. Choose the student name whose work you wish to grade. The lesson questions and student answers appear. A suggested correct answer is provided below the question. For each question, choose a grade between 0 to 10 points. Selecting the green checkbox awards the full 10 points for a question. The red X gives a score of 0. Scores between 0 and 10 may be assigned to each answer by entering the score in the box. Repeat this process until all question answers are scored. Some lessons are coded as key lessons addressing a particular standard. If a lesson is so coded, a Standards Mastery selection area appears on the right side of the screen. After grading the lesson, choose which level of mastery on that standard the student has achieved. Rolling over the standard presents the text describing the standard. After completing the Grading and Standards Mastery sections, select the Submit Grade button on the top right side of the screen. Choose the Next button on the top right of the screen moves to the next student's lesson for grading, or you can choose the Return to Submissions tab in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to view other assignments that need to be graded.